This is what peace and quiet is in the country. Just the sounds of nature. Nice and quiet. Birds looking for something to eat. It's early spring and the garden just starting up. Hadn't started very good, but it's just starting up. But you can't beat this peace and quiet out in the country. Tall cottonwood tree. Our growing pecan trees. Been growing them for a couple of years now. I want them to shade the house. There's two in there. I'll cut the one that looks the best out later on. Another pecan. Another pecan tree. I need to get my strawberries in the ground. I think they're too cramped up inside here. So I'm going to try to plant them in the ground today. I plant my own seeds, try to start my own plants because plants cost so much. And I have a problem every year. Remember what I planted what. I think this is going to be squash. I know these are beets. This is the first okra popped up so far. Got some blackberry vines. Got blackberries all on it. Hope they get ripe. I love hearing birds sing. There's a woodpecker in that tree. You hear him hammering? And the best part of it all is sitting here in the dining room and just looking at this window. Not the sound of nothing. Not even the sound of a mouse. This is what you call peaceful. It's good for your soul. It's good for your body. I hope you enjoy these video of peace and quiet and calmness when I know there's wars going on around the world. People starving, no place to sleep, don't have no jobs, don't have no money. So we need to be thankful for what we have, because one day we may not have it no more. Thank you for watching.